Welcome to Otis 2000 land, and it's lift tour time! Now to the first lifts, which are, well, obviously Otis 2000s. These lifts aren't particularly interesting and only go from the high street up to the shopping centre level. But what's really weird about these lifts is they do not follow the shopping centre's floor numbering whatsoever. It's really weird that high street level's 2 and the upper mail's 3. This doesn't make any sense to the shopping centre's floor numbering. And now, Otis 2000s can vary quite a bit in quality. Well, the full, proper Otis 2000 is a really nice lift, but a lot of places can't afford a full, proper Otis 2000. Often they cheapen out on a lot of the parts, and often they don't go for full speed. But that's not the case for the next lift, as this is a proper, fully complete Otis 2000 VF, going a full Otis 2000 speed of 2 meters a second. And also, this is one of very few lifts I know of which has, as well as an upper mail and lower mail, it also has a lower mail. Let's ride it!
Going down. Stand clear, door closing. Riverside. Stand clear, door opening. Going up. Stand clear, door closing. Town walk. Stand clear, door opening.
And now to the next lifts. These ones aren't as fast. They only go between lower mount, upper mount and the car park, so not really as interesting.
Going up. Parking level 2. Stand clear, door opening.
And now into Debenhams and to the next lifts. These ones appear to go about 1.6 meters a second.
Closing. Upper Mall. Stand clear, door opening.
And now to the next lift, which is the Debenhams Cafe lift. Sadly, this one only goes about 1 meter a second. This one goes between Riverside level, lower mount, upper mount and cafe level.
Mezzanine floor. Stand clear, door opening.
And now to the next lifts. These ones are non-stop lifts. They only go between the lower mount and the car park. And as they're non-stop lifts, you expect them to be quite fast. Well, they're not. They're only Otis 2000 hydraulics. That is really weird. These are painfully slow for the distance they go. All the other lifts in here are really nice. Not either Otis 2000s or Otis 2000 VFs. Why are these ones hydraulics?
Clear, door closing. Parking level 2. Stand clear, door opening.
And now along to the next lifts in House of Fraser. These ones go between Riverside level, lower mount, upper mount and car parks 1 and 2.
Going down. Stand clear, door closing.
to the next lifts, which are the lifts that go between Riverside level up to the shopping centre, lower and upper Mells.
Riverside. Stand clear, door open.
And now going out of the shopping centre along to the canal. And look, it's overflowed, as there's been a lot of rain recently and a lot of flooding. And now along to the next lifts, which are some Otis 2000 VFs. These lifts are all a set, but not all lifts go to all floors. The first lift only goes as far as floor 5.
Parking level 5. Stand clear, door opening.
The next lift goes as far as floor 7.
Falling back. Parking level 7. Stand clear, door opening.
And the next lift goes up to the viewpoint, floor 8. But not long after the shopping centre opened, they closed floor 8 due to health and safety reasons. Anyway, let's ride this lift.
Stand clear, door closing. Stand clear, door closing. Parking level 3. Stand clear, door opening.
And now along to the lift in the cinema, which is locked off and needs a key. No! And now along to the next lifts.
Going down. Stand clear, door closing. Riverside and shops. Stand clear, door opening.